Hi, I'm Jim Rokitsky for ACDelco. Today I'm going to discuss throttle body replacements for GM trucks 2007 and newer and GM SUVs 2008 and newer with a V8 engine. It's important to know that replacing this component requires using a scan tool to perform the idle learn reset procedure. Failure to perform this procedure may result in higher than normal idle speeds and/or high engine speeds during deceleration. Perform the idle learn reset using a Tech 2, GDS2, or equivalent scan tool. It is also important to know this procedure must be done with the key on but engine off. If the procedure is performed with the engine running, the scan tool may indicate the procedure is complete when it is not. Using GDS2, you want to select Module, Diagnostics, Engine Control Module, Configuration/Reset Functions, Learn Functions, Idle Learn. During this procedure, make sure your foot is not on the accelerator pedal. Verify the procedure is completed by going to the TAC data screen and look at the TB idle airflow compensation percentage. This should read 0%. If the high idle concern is not corrected by following these steps, reprogram the engine control module or ECM. Refer to appropriate service information for the proper reprogramming procedures. Once again, I'm Jim Rokitsky for ACDelco. Thanks for watching.